Alright, so your ducts are sweating. What shall you do? It's time. Look at that. I called it. Now I'm skeptical of the air coil in here. So let's check that. Only real way to get this done right is to pull this thing. Alright, so we got it pulled. The coil is dirty up there. See, the main problem is this secondary. It's all plugged up. So we got that foaming up. While that foams up and does its thing, we're gonna take the blower wheel out there and do its thing.
I mean, this is slowing down your blower motor big time.
So what do you do when the water pressure's not good enough? You go find somewhere where it's good enough. Now, just look at the difference. A power washer versus not good pressure. There's a nice clean new unit.